Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the only video that we did of this telephone, which is TA954, and it's a military field telephone, tactical phone, and I'm only going to show this video of this telephone after it's been converted, because we've done some other videos of other similar telephones of this nature before, so the most important video would be the finished product. And we've made some changes on this telephone, and I'll show you. We're always looking for different ways to improve the conversions. And anyway, Dave sent this telephone in from Maryland, and I also want to thank, I'm not sure who Greg is, but he's got a note here that says, a Greg from RPF said you converted Army tactical telephones. So I want to thank Greg for telling Dave about us, and I had a good time working on this telephone because I did a couple of things different than we normally do. And I believe Dave told me that the piezo buzzer would be fine in this telephone, and what we did was we used a piece of felt here. I'm always looking for ways. There's a couple of different types of ringers that we put in these, but a lot of the customers will go with a piezo buzzer, and so we did a felt kind of a thing here so that we're trying to release the sound out of this telephone so that it can be heard. One change we did do is, in the military, this light was a red light, and it would light, and it was a warning in case you turned off the ringer. This would always light, and you could tell that you got a signal and you were getting a call. So that was one thing that we did in this telephone that we didn't do in any of the other ones. And like I said, we're always looking for ways to improve the conversion. And so I'm going to go ahead and ring this telephone now. If you look at the analyzer, and you can see that light lighting. And it's a pretty cool effect. Now I'm going to turn the ringer off. And what you'll do is you won't hear the piezo buzzer any longer, but you'll continue to see the light. And it's pretty cool in person if you see it. And I think you can get some kind of ideal on the video. Anyway, I'm going to turn the ringer back on. Should be able to hear dial tone. I'm going to set the handset down, and I'm going to dial your numbers. Now I'm going to hang it up. I'm going to hang it up, and I'm going to go ahead and hit redial. And so what we did here on the keypad is we went ahead and made this a P. You'll be able to see a P here. This P is your redial button. And so another thing that we want to check, I want to make dial tone go away, so I'm going to hit it 2. And if you watch the analyzer, you'll see that red indicator light. That's 100% modulation in the transmitter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello, hello. So it has 100% modulation, and of course this is the strap that you would strap the handset on with so that it wouldn't fall out. But it does lock into place here. And another thing I want to do, I want to give you an idea of just how loud this telephone really does ring with a piezo buzzer. But since it's an enclosed telephone and there's not much area for the volume of the ring to escape, I'm going to go ahead and ring the phone. Now watch this. I'm going to let it ring, but I'm going to open up the phone a little. You see how loud that is? It's pretty loud. And so what we're going to do now is I'm going to give you a little bit of a view. I turned off the ringer. A little bit of a view of, we'll clean up these wires a little bit. This is just a view of basically the conversion that has been done to the telephone, and some of the rewiring that we did and installed a different board and new PC board. And so this is basically a view of everything that has been done. We'll clean up the wires a little bit. Mostly I want them to be long enough to be able to open this telephone and work on it if we ever need to. And so anyway, this is a view of everything that has been changed. The old stuff has been taken out and the new's in. Here's your piezo buzzer, your main board, and then everything that it takes to make your connections over here. And we'll get our rubber seal. They have a rubber seal that goes in here. We'll put that rubber seal back in. I like to open this port up here too, just to get some of the noise out. If we installed a ringer bell in this, it would have that ring sound. And then there's another kind of a ring that we're working on that is going to be more like the TA1 handset tactical field phone. And it kind of rings like that. It's kind of a knocking sound, which is pretty cool. It's a mechanical sound. And but anyway, this gives you some kind of idea. We'll ring it one more time. That's pretty loud. But you can see once we close the phone up, it's enough to alert you, but it's not as loud as it would be if there was more of an area for the volume of the ring to get out. We'll stop the ring. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the line cord into an actual telephone line, and got dial tone. I'm going to dial time and temp.
Good afternoon. Need service for your car today? Call any of our service departments or make an appointment online at Offenburg.com. Today is Friday, February 12th. The time is 5:06.
Okay, well, this phone is finished up and it's ready to contact the customer, and hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we appreciate you watching. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair. Thank you and have a great day.